How to fix student premium not working on Spotify. Hello, everybody. If Spotify Premium for students is not working on your device, you may follow up these steps. So, when you open up Spotify and look, if you're looking and if your Spotify Premium is not working, it is due to verification issues with Share ID or problems with account setup. So, when you head over to Premium section and go ahead and look out for the subscription, for example, the student one, which is something we are looking for, there are certain requirements you need to fill. So, if you have not verified yourself with the student status ID, you will need to do so. Follow the prompts within the Spotify app or the website to initiate the verification process. Just go ahead and tap on next. Follow up the process in order to do so. And you can just go ahead and verify yourself and see if this method works for you or not. Otherwise, if you're using an incognito tab or private window in your browser, that may be also the issue. So just go ahead and clear the cache of the old information, and even if you continue to have issues with the verification process, you can directly contact the Share ID through their FAQ page or by opening a support ticket. And that is it. And the thing is, if your institution is not listed in the Share ID database, you may need to contact Spotify support directly to see if they can add it. And that way only you should be able to verify yourself. Apart from that, if it is application issue, you can try logging out of your device. I mean, go to settings and privacy. After that, look out for logout option, log out from the particular account. After that, re-log in and see if that works. Otherwise, check for renewals. Sometimes the subscription may be out, so you need to renew it through your account base, and that's it. So therefore, if you'd like to fix your student premium not working on Spotify as well, you may follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.